Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Hyundai ix35. The first thing that we need to do is make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. Over to the audio system, map, nav, and then there's a cog here, which is, if you press that, or a cog symbol, and you've got Bluetooth. View Bluetooth device list, search for Bluetooth devices. So we click search. And then, as I say, we're watching out at the bottom here, searching for a maximum of 8 Bluetooth devices, and it's come up with my phone there. So Barry's iPhone, we click on that and just wait. Key 0000. So we have to put that in here. Click pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, and it's connected. Bluetooth authorization successful. So that's how you do that.